G'day ladies and gentlemen, just come from in that temple there, so certainly check out that vlog. Just here at this little market where I parked the bike. They've got some really good trinkets up there, like the necklaces, like you see a lot of the Thais doing. So we'll start off here. Oh, have a look at this, eels. Here's some more Ninja Turtle side of the game. I'm actually going to buy some turtles to stick in this big container I've got out the front of the farm. Oh yeah, pretty cool. What's in this one? Oh yeah, some fish. He's floating around. We'll have a look in this one. Oh yeah, some more fish. You can buy some pellets. Oh, there's some crabs and snails. Yeah, we won't open anymore. But over there you got some food and some other bits and pieces, but I just want to film up here where they've got the trinkets, so just bear with me a few moments. We'll keep this a short vlog anyway. But here's some more fish in a bag. Some eels or something. Oh, Ninja Turtles. Oh, wow. Haven't seen these style ones yet. That's really cool. I know you could buy these ones that are similar for about 300 baht. Sawadee Krap. How much are the turtles, mate? How much? How much are they? Like, yeah, small size. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, like these ones here are 5,000 baht. Like we won't be buying any of these ones today. But yeah, pretty cool. Carp. Yeah, like we saw some other ones for about 300 baht, so I might go and look for them. Like 5,000 baht's okay. Yeah, I know because I'm Farang, they bump up the price, and good luck to them. You know, I'd be doing the same thing as well. But we've got heaps of these little stalls here. Like I'll just skim past them. But you can see all these really nice Thai style. And we've got another soy dog there.
Oh my God.
How are you, mate? All right, good?
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Carp. Yeah, like the locals here are really cool. Like they're on another level, to be honest. I get a lot of hellos and smiles. Yeah, we got some more trinkets there. But the really cool stuff's up here. Like it's just a car park, you know. It's what I love about Thailand. Like they'll just set up a little stall. It's how majority of the Thais make money. And you got heaps of these little restaurants here, like street food, but really good. Like I've had no issues with food. Like, and you got heaps of these little vans which just rock up, and you can buy like all like fresh produce. Like fantastic, I think. And yeah, the really good stuff's over there. I should have started on that, but just bear with me if you like. Yeah, you got heaps of these like trinkets. Yeah, really cool. There's my legs. You know, you got like there you go, really cool stuff in here. Yeah, you got some knives in there as well. Really cool stuff. We'll sneak through here. Yeah, you got heaps of these, eh? But just over here on these car park, as I've said a million times now, you've got all different like necklaces. Sawadee Krap. Yeah, and you can buy them and put them in there. Sawadee Krap.
ครับอนุญาตให้ถ่ายเต็มที่ และประกาศด้วยว่าที่นี่แท้หมด
Got some really beautiful ones. Swear.
สวย Buddha
Buddha, yes. Yeah, you see a
Little
lot of them with them.
Buddha
Little Buddha.
Buddha
And that's king number 5
Where you
there.
come from?
Oh, I come from Australia, but I live here now. Yeah. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. I love it here. It's very beautiful and peaceful. See these ones here, like you can buy them and put them inside one of them ones we saw over there. But really cool, like there's a fair few of these around here, you know. Yeah, as I said, like the locals here are really good, you know. I don't want to abuse the generosity like they're showing me, so, you know, I try not to film faces and stuff. But here's some more here. You know, I come through here before and was having a look. Sawadee krap.
สวัสดีครับนี่ยูนก
Oh, beautiful. You make this one?
ไม้สักซักทอง
Oh, sakon.
ซักทอง
Ah, beautiful.
จั
Swear.
งหวัดแพร่
Thank you. Krap. Yeah, like as I was saying, like you can buy these and put them in there and you got one like that. Got some really, really nice ones here. Yeah, we won't film there like where the men are looking, but yeah, really cool. As I said, you know, it's a great way for them to make money. Like there's a few more over there, but there was some knives and stuff over there. We've got kids over there playing, so we won't go over there. But what we'll do, we'll wrap this up in a minute. I'll just go and film this one. Like there's a few more over there, but it's great to see Thais like doing this type of stuff. You know, some really nice artwork here. Oh, whoops, I'm around the wrong side. Oh yeah, you got some phalluses there. Phallus side of the game. Yeah, wake up. A lot of Buddha ones there, all different ones, monks as well. Okay. Yeah, so there's a few more over there, but I've shown you like a few. Won't film over there, but anyway, hit the like, subscribe if you like. We'll see you on the next journey. Uru for now.